Okay, welcome to, I don't know if you can see me here. Probably need to take away from now. I'll look at this. Okay guys, this is my first ever unboxing video today. I'm looking forward to doing this video, so yeah. Off Amazon yesterday I bought a washing machine, a toy washing machine. It's a Miele. It costed about £40. And it's arrived today, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. So this is how big the box is. Proper good parcel that. I'll scribble the address out because I don't want any bugger knowing where I bloody live. That's something that I would always forget, you know. So we'll cut this open and see what's in it. Just imagine if it isn't a washer. I'll be highly disappointed. This wouldn't be posting on YouTube if it was, so bear with me. Right, open the presents at bloody Christmas. I have to be careful here that there's no other address because there's another box here. Just bear with me. Find that side. Yeah. No, the best on that side, so keep it right over. Well, it is a washing machine. Just let me get it out of the box. Do you know what? It's easy just to open the box like that. And here we go. Yeah. This is the Miele washing machine. It's a toy one. You can put water in it and everything. I'm pretty sure you've seen these before. This part of it is foreign, so I'm not too sure what language it is. But yeah, I don't know if it's Chinese because it does say it's made in China or something. But yeah, it says it's been made in China, so I think it's probably Chinese writing that. Yeah, so on the front here, I'll come around and have a look. Look, I have to be careful, don't sit on anything like my tablet. So yeah, it's on my own poofy type thing on the edge. Yeah, so yeah, this is a Miele washing machine. It's ages 3+, as I saw. There we go. It's a Klein. Yeah, I'm going to open the second bit of box. So it's like playing past a parcel, one box out of another. There should be a bit more excitement in this next box. There we go. There we go. That's one side open. There we go. Need scissors for that. I thought I was going to go for it then, but obviously I didn't want to play. There we go. We'll do it. First ever unboxing this video. I hope it's recording. Yeah. Right. Cardboard. There are the instructions. Do you know what I am glad about this? That there's no polystyrene in this. I thought that was polystyrene, but obviously it's not. So, oh, here it is. Oh, that's not bad, that. I'll proper look into it once I've opened it. They're well wrapped, don't they, these companies, don't they? They're well wrapped stuff. This is not something I've ever thought of getting, but whenever I look on YouTube videos of washers like this, they always look big and weird, and then when you get them when you see it with the naked eye, it always looks smaller. So yeah, this is the Miele washing machine. Yeah, I'm a bit. Let's do the door there. Bit of sellotape on that. Just need to get my scissors again wherever they are. There we go. Do well wet stuff like this, don't we? These companies just get the sellotape off of that. Yeah, put that on the floor. Okay. That's inside of the washing machine. Don't know. I'm not one for reading instructions, but I think I'm gonna have to. It's yeah. So yeah, this is a Miele washing machine. I thought it would have been a lot bigger, you know, but you that's what you get for your money in that. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna need to put batteries in it, don't I? Yeah, but I want to know. I think you can use. It did say you can use water with it. I do not like reading instructions. I can say that for bloody sure. Okay. At the back is like the hose there. That's where the water comes out, I think. I don't know what that bloody thing is. Oh, I don't think I need to use that. But what is most annoying is that some of these instructions are in foreign. I don't have a clue how to read them at all. But I think they're self-explanatory, you know. Yeah, they're self-explanatory, I reckon. That might go in the back there, I don't know. Yeah, so this is this is a Miele washing machine. I think I'm gonna have a go at this. I'm gonna put some batteries in this, so I'm gonna have a look around this. It does need batteries, but I don't know how you're getting these type things, you know. I want to open the drawer. Put water in it. There we go. You can't open it that much, the drawer, so it does look realistic, to be honest with you. It does, it looks really realistic. So let me take it to the front and that again for you to have a look at. Yeah, so there's the drum. Yeah, it does look, usually in videos it looks massive, but with the naked eye it's smaller than you think. But yeah, it's not sealed. Yeah, there's a seal there, so the water can't escape. That's the lock. I don't know what language some of this is in, but I can read some of it. I don't know what that is though. In fact, I do know what that is. Just I think it goes into the back of the washing machine. I'll show you in a minute once I've opened this. It looks like a teaspoon, this thing, you know. It looks like a small little miniature teaspoon. Just trying, very fiddly. Yeah, it's come with something like this. It looks like more of a like little miniature teaspoon type thing. So I don't know, by looking at that end here, I don't know if you can see it properly, looks like it goes into the back of this somehow, like that, like that. Then I think it's for like winding the drum up, I don't know. I don't want to be messing with it that if I don't know what I'm doing with it. So yeah, it's in foreign language, bloody hell. But hopefully, if it's in foreign language and I put what it is, I think I'll get more views on my videos. So yeah, this is this is the Miele washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. This is an unboxing video. This is my first ever unboxing video. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll do another video for it. But I am a little bit disappointed with the size of this. I know on YouTube, it's very deceiving on YouTube videos when you see stuff like this. They look massive, but then when you get it with see it with the naked eye, they are really small. But yeah, I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy with it, and just hope it bloody works now. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll put some batteries in this and do a video for you all guys. So yeah. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.